All right, friends. In today's math lesson, we are going to look at different ways to make the number 10. We're going to use Play-Doh to fill in our 10 frame, and then I'm going to use a marker to fill in the addition number sentence. You can follow along by watching this and talking out loud to your video at home, or you could draw your own 10 frame and find objects to fill it in as we go along. Totally up to you. Here we go. I'm going to be using blue Play-Doh and yellow Play-Doh, and that's how we're going to come up with the numbers for our addition number sentence. Let's try the first one. Please count as I place the Play-Doh in the 10 frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, how many blue Play-Doh balls do I have in the 10 frame? We just counted and we had 10. So for our first number here, that's called an addend, we're gonna write a 10. The next addend is going to be how many orange Play-Doh balls we have. Do you see any there? I don't, so the number we use when there are none is a 0. In between the two addends is our plus sign, which we always use when we're adding. And then over here, we have our equals. Equal means the same. So the two numbers here, when you put them together, are going to be the same as the number over here. And that number for all of our addition number sentences today is going to be 10. We are finding ways to make 10. Let's read our number sentence together. 10 plus 0 equals 10. All right, now we're going to switch out one blue Play-Doh and add an orange. I'm going to erase my addends because this number, which is called the sum, is going to be the same for all of our number sentences today, since we're finding ways to make 10. All right, let's count how many blue Play-Dohs we have now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number should go on the first line? If you said 9, you are correct. Our first addend is 9. Now, how many orange Play-Dohs do we have? Just 1. So our second addend is a 1. Let's read our new number sentence. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Or like at school, we like to sing 9 and 1 is a way to make 10. Great job. All right, let's switch out another one for an orange. Okay, let's see, what's our new number sentence going to be? First, we have to find how many blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our first addend is an 8. Make an S, but don't be late. Go back up and close the gate. Those songs come in handy, don't they? Now, how many orange? 1, 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or 8 and 2 is a way to make 10. All right, here we go. switch another blue for an orange. And let's count. First, the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 blue. And now we count the, you got it, orange. 1, 2, 3. Let's read our new addition number sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Or 7 and 3 is a way to make 10. Alrighty, drum roll and switch another one. Let's count those blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange. Here we go. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Oh my goodness. Can you guess what the next two numbers are going to be? See if you've noticed a pattern each time we change out one blue Play-Doh for an orange. Here we go. Each time I change the Play-Doh out, the blue becomes one less and the orange becomes one more. So, if you just take a look, your eyes might already be telling you how many blue and how many orange. There are the same number of both colors. Let's count and find out how many. Blue, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down and around and put a hat on top. Just by looking at the 10 frame, you can see there are the same number of orange. So in our heads, we already know there are 5. But we can always double check and count them anyway. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need another 5. Go down and around and put a hat on top. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 and 5 is a way to make 10. Goodbye, blue. Hello, orange. The blue are getting even less. Now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Our first add end is a 4. Go down, then across, then down some more. That's the way to make a 4. And how many orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we had a similar number pair before, except the 6 was here and the 4 was here. We'll take a look at all the number pairs we found at the end. For now, let's read our number sentence. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 and 6 is a way to make 10. Just a few more. You are working hard, my friends. 1 blue for 1 orange. All right. If you subitize, which means just to look and know how many, you might already know how many blue there are. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Go around the the tree. That's the way to make a 3. 3 blue and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange. Go across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Our number sentence reads 3 plus 7 equals 10 because 3 and 7 is a way to make 10. You're going to be singing that song in your sleep, I bet. All right, 1 blue, 1 orange. All right, let's count our blues. We just have 1 and 2. Go around and back on the railroad track. Our first addend is a 2. Our second addend is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S, but don't be late. Go back up and close the gate. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 and 8 is a way to make 10. Alrighty, we're almost finished. Oh my goodness, I bet you can tell me right away how many blue there are. Just 1. And orange, you might be able to subitize that now, but let's double check and count. 1, 2, 3.
Which the depositor can draw checks that are payable on demand.
Okay, let's do that one over again. So I'm just going to write this back. All right. My goodness, we are almost done. All right, I think you all can tell me there is only 1 blue. And how many orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 and 9 is a way to make 10. And our last time, do you see any more blue? I sure don't. So when there's none, we know that number is a 0. So our first addend is a 0. And then I want you to take a look at this 10 frame and we're going to subitize. We're not going to count the orange. We're going to look at it and use some clues in our brain. This is a 10 frame, so there are 10 boxes in the 10 frame. When the 10 frame is full, like it is now with the orange Play-Doh, we know right away that that means there are 10. So we have 10 orange Play-Doh, and we knew that without even having to count them. We have a 1 and a 0. All right, let's read our final addition number sentence. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 and 10 is a way to make 10. Woo! Give yourselves a round of applause, my friends. That was hard work, and you did it. Awesome job. I just wanted to show you in one space all of those different ways that you helped me to make 10. Look at that. That is so many different ways. I want you to pay attention to one thing. As the blue Play-Doh got smaller, see each time it's one less, the orange Play-Doh got bigger. Each time it was one more. That's a pattern. And if you recognize that, that will help you to know the number pairs for ways to make 10 quicker. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me and helping me with this math activity. Don't forget to keep checking back in each day because I will be continuing to add new activities and new stories each day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. See you next time.